Hello my loves, it's Nickira and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some gorgeous head wraps from an African inspired clothing brand called Dianu. First things first, I always do two things. One, lay my edges, and number two, put on my wig cap. If you have short hair, your wig cap is going to be your best friend because it keeps your hair out of the way. So this first head wrap is my absolute favorite. I love this style. It was super easy to achieve. All I did was just tie it in the very front at the crown of my head, and then I rolled up the ends and tucked them into that little compartment that I made at the very top of my head. The material allowed for these head wraps to stay in place, so it just makes it super duper easy to tie your head wrap, and it stays there all day long. This next style is super stylish, understated, and easy to wear. This is great for those of us who don't want to wear something super high on their head. They just want something to nicely wrap around their head and stay snug. So I love this head wrap as well. I like the black and white and gold. It's just super versatile and you can wear it with almost any outfit. If you're interested in purchasing any of these head wraps, you can use the code Nickira to get 15% off of your purchase at Dianu's website. So this next one is for my girls who like to have a little bit of fun. This funky, beautiful, dramatic head wrap I'm gonna tie in a huge bow, and it's so cute. I really like how this came out. I love how the material let me mold the bow exactly how I want it to lay. And look at that, like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the colors and everything. It was just perfect. This next one is my classic, easy, go-to look. If I'm wearing a head wrap, it's probably in one of these two styles. If it's not a knot in the front, it's a knot in the back. I love wearing my head wraps this way. It's just super easy, super classic, and it just goes with absolutely everything. So with this next one, I wanted to do something a little bit more fun and edgy. I wanted it to make a statement. So I started wrapping the ends around each other, and then at the very end, I just poked it through the middle, and it created like this beautiful little fan effect right through the middle, and I love this as well. It's great if you want to make a statement. You can't be shy when you wear this, girl. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you today. Make sure you stop by Dianu's website so you can see all of the styles that they have available, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.